What is up, everybody? I hope all of you are doing well. So we're in this 2022 Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid. Now there's a couple videos on the internet, and this one for some reason is different than some other ones. Now when it comes to resetting the oil life, usually it's up here. And we tried because I had never done one of these before. So I had to search everywhere. So let me give you a few tips. First, make sure your hood is shut. Make sure your doors are shut. And then what you want to do is go over here to your display. Boom. Start. Let's go to setup here. And then let's go here to vehicle. And then what you're going to want to do is go to cluster. And then as you can see, we have reset service interval. Now you can turn it on or off, enable, or whatever. You can do it right there. You can change your distance, which we do 6,000 here. But anyways, oh, I see, 60. They add the 2 zeros. So what you want to do to reset is boom shakalaka. Reset it right there. You're probably going to run into another video by a guy who did one that shows him resetting it here with these buttons. But there's no menu settings. There's no like settings menu right there. So you're probably going to have some trouble finding it, but once you see my video, of course, it's going to help you out. So I appreciate it if you guys like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. But, you know, I made the time out of my day to help you guys, so help your brother out. Have a good one. Peace.